how you can create your own board on Pinterest. To do that, if you're on your phone, you may simply download Pinterest application or you may browse pinterest.com. After that, you can see your home page filled with lots of ideas that you would like to include on your board. To create a board, you simply tap on the create option, or you can tap on save option, and you'll see a plus sign right at the right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the plus icon and tap on the board icon. You need to create a board name to create a board. Let's say I want to create a board with nails. So I'm going to type nail on the board name. You can also have an option to keep this board secret or keep it public. Let's say I want to keep this board private. So let's enable the option and tap on next. After that, you'll get a lot of ideas that you would like to pin on your board or organize. You can simply just tap on the pin icon and the pictures will be included on your pin, and tap on the done. After that, you've successfully created a board called nail. You can go to your home page and pin the similar ideas onto your board called name. And this is how you create a board on Pinterest. Thank you.